Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. We're out here doing a small mulch job, one we did last year. Going to be trimming up these hedges with that new Ego hedge trimmer that we got. Doing pretty well. Pretty small little job here. I'd say probably 400 square feet or so. Not too much, but trimming everything up. First thing we did is we went through and we sprayed everything with weed killer to kind of be letting that soak into these weeds. Then we're going to trim these shrubs up, clean up, and then we'll go back in here and we'll kind of take a string trimmer and knock down these taller weeds or pull out the ones that are tall in the middle of the bushes. After that, we'll kind of redefine our edge a little bit here, and then smooth everything and go ahead and layer mulch, and it should look good. I'll make a little video here at the end to show you how it turns out. Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn. We just finished up this mulch job here. Took us probably we were doing some training with Nick, so it took a little bit longer. It took us about 3.5, 4 hours. But you can see we used the steel bed redefiner here. Kind of cleaned up our edge, trimmed up our shrubs, and laid our red mulch, which is not super popular, but you do get, maybe 1% of people that like it. I think it looks good personally, but so there we are. Pretty big transformation just for a few hours. All right, on to the next one.